Hi everyone, quick update for the channel. I'm currently working on editing the next video for my new robot project I'm working on. If you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, you may have saw the short teaser video I posted over there, and if you haven't, make sure to follow me on those channels so you don't miss more updates like that. Like I mentioned in my last video, it's a project I think a lot of people will enjoy, and personally I've been having a lot of fun working on it. So keep an eye out for that. It should be released in a few days. Going back to my robot arm project, I'm finally releasing all the CAD files for the robot on my GitHub page for free. Right now, I'm not releasing any of the software or electronic stuff because I'm actively working on that right now as we speak. I really don't recommend you build this robot yourself because there are a ton of mechanical issues and other oversights that I kind of just glossed over in all of my videos. This robot is perfect, however, for people who want to learn more about the design process and what goes into making a robot like this. So have at it and enjoy. If you like my content and you want to help support me and my projects, then you should consider supporting me over on Patreon. I've been posting behind the scenes content on Patreon for a few months now, and recently I've made it my mission to be a bit more active over there with my patrons. Depending on the tier you choose, you can receive shoutouts in my videos and or your name in the end credits of my videos for as long as you're a patron. If that's something you're interested in, you can visit patreon.com/Stewart Technologies. The link will also be in the description down below. Lastly, I know the channel has been creeping up on 1,000 subscribers, so I just wanted to say thank you for all your support. It really means a lot to me to have this much interest in something that I truly enjoy doing. So once again, thank you for all your support. I couldn't have done it without you, and I'll see you again soon.